Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable gestures and motions on your Insta360 Link webcam. And to do this you need to get Insta360 Link controller app. I shown you previously on how to download it. Now we need to navigate to more settings. Inside we can find gesture settings and either enable or disable them. You can also enable or disable specific settings to liking, so you can use a palm to use auto tracking. You can use L with your hand to use a zoom, or do it like this, V with your fingers to enter whiteboard mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.